Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude water repellency blade on a large J-hook type arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. The universal adapter uses a locking tab to tightly secure the blade to the vehicle. To open, use your thumb to flip up. Due to the tight design needed to secure the blade to the vehicle, opening may require a little force. You can also use a quarter to easily flip open. Next, insert the hook part of the arm into the opening of the adapter and slide the blade up until it's snug. Lower the tab and press down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean and dry. Turn on the wiper blades and run the wipers dry at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then spray your washer fluid and watch for water beading to indicate the technology has been activated. It's that simple. You're done.